you're joining me again, that means that you're watching the Low Code Builder video series. And so this is video 2, creating a view. So when Pega talks about views, it's talking about what the user's going to see. By default, they're always going to have your create one here, but you customize views any way you want. So we're going to the workflow, and the instructions say, configure the create step with a data reference field that is a single record and is sourced from a pre-configured account data object. The view should display the following fields: credit limit, current balance, first and last name. Configure the data reference field as a search box that searches the account number field. Okay, so first of all, it's telling you that there's a pre-configured account data object. So let's take a look. We go to data. There it is, account. That means that they have a data page, right, where they already have these fields: account number, credit limit, balance. This is the out-of-the-box Pega property. So it's your PYGUID. That's the unique ID. Usually you can use it as a key. Then we have records. So if you can see, you've got all these records, 3 different records with different available credits, credit limit, balances, first and last names. So we go back to the case type, and now let's do what they're asking. We're gonna click on the create step and use a data reference. Okay, configure a view with the data reference. Now, what does that mean? To me, the data reference is not new, but the way that it's updated in 8.6 is what I'm using right now. I was a little confused. So I made a screenshot that I'm sharing with you guys, and I just highlighted it. Data reference is a data source of single and multiple records from the selected data page, and the user selects from a list of products in order. So basically, you're referencing a data page. Data reference. Okay, let's move on. So we're going to add a view. This will be titled account. This will not be sourced from a text. It will be sourced from a data reference, which means we're going to call a data page. And which data page? Account. Okay, that's it. Okay, and so this is new for me as well. This gear icon, that's not new, but what is new is being able to format it as a search box. That's really cool. It's a brand new feature, I guess, for the older 8-point versions, and I really like it. So we're only, according to our instructions, we're only supposed to leave account number. So we remove these and only leave account number. Submit. Now we want to select create a view. You've got 2 options: create a new view and create a default view. If you don't already have a default view, then you want to create the default view. The create a new would be if you want to modify something that is not going to follow the same pattern or doesn't necessarily want to use the default view. But pretty much all of our cases will use it. So we're going to create a default view. When we open this, remember, we're using a data reference. So when we open this, we're going to have all the fields that are in the data page, which we saw earlier. Okay, so as you can tell, we brought over the fields that we've created. We did not bring over any Pega fields. So according to our instructions, we're going to leave credit limit, current balance, first name and last name, and not account number, because that one's already configured as a search box. I just wanted to show you that because this is the Pega out-of-the-box property, this property was not going to display for us. And we saw that when we generated the view, it pre-populated these fields. I'm not sure what's going on here. If I research and find out, I'll definitely add it to the video. But for now, just know that if it's a Pega property, it's not going to be displayed. Right? We're going to go ahead and close this. Okay. Get back to the case type. Balance transfer. Okay, so now account number is a search box. but it's also a drop down. It gives us the numbers what numbers are these? These are the records that we saw on the data page, right? So we select one of these and each one is linked with a different name. Peter Baker, 2153, 7900. We see that as a record. Peter Baker, 2153, 7900. Okay, so pretty much we're done. According to our instructions, we have met the requirement when we have a drop down here and what the records are being displayed, right? So this is going to be a searchable field and the rest are just read only. We're done. All right, thanks so much for watching and be sure to continue with the rest. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.